Whole thing and a capitalization issue trashed the whole video that I just recorded. So I've got the text. I'm going to go ahead and modify this text. Now this assignment, 2-14, it's almost identical to 2-13. So we're using the same logic that we had in 2-13, but instead of months being January 1, February 2, it's planets. So I'm going to take this code that we've got. I'm going to dump in some code, and here's our enum. Our enum's planet, and it's the same concept that we had, 1 through 8, one for each planet. We come down in the main. We've got an integer, that planet index, planet from up here, planet name, right line, give them a prompt. We receive what they gave us, that integer. Take it from a string, convert it to an integer, and we're going to store it in planet index. Planet name is associated with whatever that index in planet. So if somebody entered 4, planet name now receives the value Mars. I had a lowercase p on here, and it took me 15 minutes to find out what did I do wrong. And it's just one little capitalization issue. So we go down through it, same like we did at 13, right line, index 0, index 1, what goes there, what goes there. When we run it, it says it doesn't like. Run it again. You go ahead and test it. I know you work. Pop out, come back in, and see if it plays nice with me if I come back in again. And sometimes it's all just a matter of saving the file and it running right. Let's run our code. It says no, it says it's got a problem with end of file. And there it is, yeah. I've got a curly brace issue. And that was just my pasting that did that. And there we go. Open, close, open, close, open, close. There we go. Enter the planet position number. Let's say 4. Mars is 4 planets from the sun. So it did it exactly the way they wanted. Now, I didn't do uppercase Earth. It may have a problem, it may not. It shouldn't. So go through and test it. Did 9 of 9, so it wasn't case sensitive on the name of the planet. But it's the same concept. We're just using an enum. It's like a list to have numbers that correspond with strings. All right. So I'll see you in the next one. I know that one was brief, but it was just so much like the previous one we did.